When I was in high school, I wanted to become an astronaut. But since there was not that many openings in Canada, I've decided to become an aeronautic engineer so I can design flying machines.
Aviation is a lot about innovation. That's where the value of the product comes from. It is personally my passion. The A220 is that game-changing aircraft because of the new technologies it brings, all the new materials we had into it, the aerodynamics, and of course the engine.
The goal was to start really from a clean sheet. We wanted to have the best 100 to 160 passenger seater aircraft that has ever been built. So we're looking at defining for each portion of the aircraft what is the material that will suit it the best. Fuel burn is coming from weight. So when you have lighter material, the aircraft weight is lower. We decided to go for composite material on the wing, the center wing box, the aft fuselage, and the tail of the aircraft. This all comes together to have a more efficient aircraft for the new generation. It is more fuel efficient, and also there is less CO2 emission.
Jet engines are one of the most sophisticated, complex machines that human beings can make. My earliest time here as an engineer was at the Airbus Mirabel facility, doing flight testing on some of the early versions of the PW1500G. It's got a really special place in the GTF and Pratt & Whitney history. It has introduced revolutionary fuel efficiency. We're able to get the overall efficiency of this engine into levels that really are unprecedented, delivering that 25% fuel burn per seat advantage, lower emissions, and just as importantly, a 50% reduction in noise.
When we did the design of the cockpit, we asked pilots from our flight testing, but also from the customer, to participate and provide their feedback. It is a cockpit made by pilots for pilots. You have larger screen, flexible windows. They can customize the usage. It's providing really good flying experience, workload reduction.
The airspace cabin brings all the comforts what a passenger needs today.
It is a wide body cabin into a single aisle size. So you really have the largest window of the category, the largest aisle, the largest seat, the XL bin, which is 20% lighter and offers 15% more luggage space. Passengers, they love it, and this is the feedback we get from all our customers. The A220 has plenty of capacity for future growth. We did already some improvement on the range, improving on the maintenance intervals.
We're starting to see the benefit of phased improvements to this engine. Engines are lasting more than 2 times as long as they did from even just a few years ago.
It's a dream come true to be able to work on this program, bringing it to the next level.
The A220 is the only 21st century single-aisle clean sheet aircraft which delivers. That happens with a lot of effort, focus, engagement, and most importantly, collaboration teamwork. Airbus has invested and keeps investing in that program. Recently, the new delivery center here in Mirabel. But of course, also investment into our customers, investment into how we support our customers worldwide to keep the customer satisfaction high. It is amazing being able to see how things come together.